Good morning, students of class 7. Previous class exercise 15b up to question number 3 we have done. Today we are starting from question number 4. Just first you read the question. An exterior angle of a triangle measures 110 degree and its interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of the triangle. So here figure is not given. According to the question we have to draw the figure. First we have drawn one triangle ABC and then one side I have extended. So exterior angle form, that is 110 degree. It is given. Now interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. That means these two angles ratio is given 2:3. So if the ratios are given, so we can take the interior opposite angles are 2x and 3x, because we know when it is given in ratio we have to take on that way. So I have written let the opposite interior angles, in short form I have written, but in exam you will write in full form. Let opposite interior angles are 2x and 3x. Now you have to find the value, the angles you have to find, that means angle A, angle B and angle C. So first we have to find the value of x. How we will find? We know that exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite to interior angle. So we can write 2x plus 3x equal to 110 degree, because exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. All I have written in short form, you will write in full form when you will write in your class or copy. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay, so after solving it, x equal to 22 it's coming. So I have put it in 2x, it's coming 44, 3x it's coming 66. So that two angle we have got, this is 44 degree, this is 66 degree. Now we have to find this angle. We know that sum of these two angles is 180 degree because they are forming linear pair. So angle ACB equal to 180 minus 110, because ACB and ACD are linear pair. So it's coming 70 degree. So the measures of the angles of the triangle are 44, 66 and 70 degree. Now we are going in next sum, question number 5. Question number 5 I have given the hints. You can solve it. So in your home you will, in practice copy you will solve that. Just you will write the hints in your class or copy. An exterior angle of a triangle is 100 degree and its interior opposite angles are equal to each other. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. So how we will draw the figure? First we have drawn one triangle ABC, one side I have extended. Exterior angle it is given 100 degree and another information is given, that is interior opposite angles are equal. That means that two angles are equal. So both the angles we can take as x because both are equal angles. Now you have to find the value of x. So we know that exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite to interior angle. So equation will come x plus x equal to 100 degree. On that way you will find the value of x, and then this angle how you will find? The previous sum already you have done in question number 4. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree by linear pair. So if it is 100 it will be 80 degree. So on that way you will solve. Now we are going in question number 7. 6 and 7 almost same types of question. So question number 6 you will practice in your home. Question number 7 we are solving. The figure I have drawn, and from this figure you have to find ACD, this is question mark, ADC, this is question mark, and DAE, this is question mark. So these three angles you have to find. One by one angle we will find. See that. First we are finding angle ACD. This angle how we will find? Sum of these two angles are forming linear pair. So if it is 100 degree it will be 80 degree. Just written angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So ACB means 100 degree, 100 plus ACD equal to 180 degree. So ACD equal to 80 degree. So that angle we have got 80 degree. Okay. Now next we have find ADC. So this, for this triangle ACD, this is 50 degree, this is 80 degree we have got. So what will be that angle? 180 minus 50 plus 80. So in triangle ACD, angle ACD plus angle CAD plus angle ADC equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That property you have to apply. ACD is what we have got, 80 degree, put it. CAD is given 50 degree and ADC you have to find, so it will be same. After doing calculation, it's coming angle ADC equal to 50 degree. So that is another one answer. So this angle we have got 50 degree. Now we have to find this angle. See that angle DAE, this angle we have to find. So this is the exterior angle for the triangle. This separately, if we will draw the figure, that angle we have to find for triangle ABD, not ACD. Okay, so we have to take ABD triangle because this angle will be exterior angle of this triangle. So that angle is 40 degree, angle B 40, and angle D we have got 50 degree. So exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite to interior angle. So in triangle, for triangle ABD, angle DA equal to angle DBA plus BDA, because exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior opposite angles or opposite interior angles. So 40 degree plus 50 degree, it's coming 90 degree. Now we are going in question number 8. In the given figure, alongside x is to y equal to 2 is to 3, it is given angle ACD 130 degree. Find the value of x, y, z. So figure I have drawn now. X is to y, 2 is to 3. So we can take, let x equal to 2t, y equal to 3t. Here x and y is given, that's why except these two alphabets, another alphabet we have to take. That's why I have taken t. Okay, so x equal to 2t and y equal to 3t. Now we have to find the value of x, y, z. So what we will do, x means 2t and y means 3t. Now exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite to interior angle. So we know 2t plus 3t equal to 130 degree, and the reason will be same, that I have given arrow. So same thing you will write, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. That reason you will write. So 5t equal to 130, t equal to 26. Now x equal to 2t and y equal to 3t. Just we have put the value of t and we have got the value of x and y. It is coming 52 and 78 degree. Now we have to find the value of z. How we will find? Sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So by linear pair, z equal to 180 minus 130, it's coming 50 degree. Because ACB, this angle, and ACD, this angle, are linear pair. So z equal to coming 50 degree. So x equal to 52 degree, y equal to 78 degree, and z equal to 50 degree.